Hey everyone, welcome back. It's week 3 of my grow tent series. It's really cold outside, it's minus 40. Good day to stay inside and play with some plants. Let's have a look. So yesterday I did a whole bunch of repotting of my peppers. So just about all of them are into large pots now. My basil still doing nicely, we still pick a bunch of it. My savory and cilantro are doing well. I want to try and do some hydroponic cilantro. I want to get some smaller totes, a little bit smaller than that. See if I can grow them just in a hydroponic solution, see how that'll turn out, just for an experiment. And again, I've shuffled a bunch of things around. I've got all these Caribbean red peppers, they smell so good. Even the leaves have a nice spicy smell to them. This arugula looks like it's starting to bolt maybe. Not sure. Have to do a little bit of research on that. Bok Choy is doing well. It's getting a couple little flowers in there. I'll have to pick them. Romaine, still doing its thing. These guys are getting a lot bigger. Check out the roots on this one. It's just huge. Hydroponic basil's getting bigger. It's getting another set's leaves. It's got a couple roots. More bok choy, bok choy, bok choy. Those are both doing well. I repotted all my lemons into these bigger pots. So they're doing nice. Maybe I can grow them big enough and I can sell them as a decorative lemon plant. Who knows? Again with the green onion that we can't keep up with. And the dill is just doing awesome. Smells so good. More peppers that I've just recently repotted yesterday. Some more that I've shuffled around. Should be start of the growing season in 2 months, maybe 3 months. So I have a real good start. Oh, there's my little flowers starting to open up. There's a bunch more buds on this plant. There's a little flower starting right there. Oh, that plant's got a little bud on it. Hopefully I can get some peppers out of these. And there's this guy. I'm not sure about him. And he's pumping out new leaves like crazy. These ones are kind of weird and purpley and sad. Got plenty of roots. Let's go have a look at the upstairs ones just real quick. And there's the upstairs hydroponics. Again, growing like a weed, we can't keep up. The dill's a little slower. Doesn't have any visible roots on it. I did this little mini cracked key basil. It's doing quite well. It's got a bunch of roots on it. You keep putting a little bit of solution in so it doesn't use all the water too fast. So that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. I'll have another one out in a week. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you feel like. Leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.